Check out this project we did with ABC Landscaping. Wow. So ABC took this landscape from zero to wow. This was a brand new house, completely dirt. They came in. One of the first things I want to show you is this beautiful path, and that leads over to a sitting area, and how they've done the outside of this path is genius. Using the natural shape of the flagstones that were put here and not giving that a defined edge made this space really interesting to see and a great spot to sit. Now check out this flagstone walkway that goes from the house all the way to a fire pit in the backyard. There's a dry riverbed that runs along the drainage swale for the backyard, getting a spot for the water to get out. So how do you get across that and not have a problem with drainage? This large stone was used as a bridge over not so troubled of water, and that allows the natural drainage to happen while giving still a really nice look to this flagstone walkway. The trees that they brought in are massive. Check out the girth of the trunk on this tree. Wow. Beautiful trees, beautiful landscaping, beautiful flagstone. The rocks are gorgeous. Now, this particular area where the flagstone is used for the fire pit, they actually have cut and put in a nice circle to match the circle of the natural wood fireplace. Plants are in bloom. It's gorgeous. I noticed that the grass is so green, even though it's very, very hot out right now. They've done a great job with irrigation to make sure that things get watered in the right spot at the right time. An amazing project. Beautiful walkway, beautiful plants, beautiful trees. The edging is nice. Can't deny that. The plants look great. As this comes together and the plants grow, what a beautiful spot, beautiful backyard. I hope you guys enjoy it for years and years. Great job to ABC Landscaping.